Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. I'm 7beats and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really nice Afrobeat. I recently released my first Afrobeat sample pack. The link is in the description. Make sure to download the free preview and check it out. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'm going to start off with some Rhodes. That sounds really awesome. And maybe just add this G. So I've played around with the velocity. And added some notes right here. And I'm going to use this kalimba from Heat Up. And just copy these chords. Just make them a little bit shorter and I'm going to drag them one octave up. I'm going to set the velocity like this. We could copy this one. This one is on G. Just as a little detail in the background. And right now I'm going to use this guitar from Ample Sound and create a really nice guitar melody on top of this one. So I'm going to set this one to a half step. And I'm going to use this C sharp as my root note. So I've been tweaking around this melody for like 40 minutes and this is what I've got. I think this is really awesome. And I think I'm going to add something like a vocal effect. And right now I'm going to add a drum loop from my recent Afrobeats sample pack. I'm going to add a bass. So there's bass. Just a really simple sine wave preset. And I'm going to copy these notes from the chords. Turn up the volume a little bit. Maybe these ones are too low. As you can hear, this goes really well together with the chords. I think this sounds really awesome, but I think I'm going to add more like a guitar, so I'm going to layer this one. And just add another guitar from guitar ample. So this is like a real guitar, and layer this one with my bass. So I'm going to copy my bass melody. Fits really well together. Sounds really awesome. And right now add this kick. This kick sounds really awesome. So right now I've created all the elements for this beat, and I'm going to mix and master this one, create an arrangement, and guide you to that project. So right now I've finished this beat, and I think the outcome is really awesome. But I've made some little bit adjustments through the process and added another melody. So as you can hear, I've added some reverb on my guitar. And right here I've added this saxophone. I've also used arcade for this one. So sys sample in arcade, which fits really well together with all the other sounds. And here the beat is just repeating. I've also added some effects. So these ones. All from my Afrobeats sample pack. And I've added this impact. And that's basically it. So it's a really simple beat, but I think really awesome. And right here I've switched up the bass. So instead of using these notes, I've made a progression like this. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And as you can hear, I've just used the final part of the loop and combined it with my tom loop. sounds really awesome. So that's basically it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to check out my Afrobeat drum kit. Also make sure to download this free FLP, and see you guys in one of my next videos.